What's up everyone, this is Tony with JRNYcrypto. In today's video we're going to be doing the PancakeSwap tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys the easiest way to use the PancakeSwap and why I prefer this over Uniswap. A lot of projects are bridging over from the Ethereum blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain for the greatly reduced transaction fees. So I will go over this and many different features. I'm also going to go over some other Binance Smart Chain swaps as well that definitely have high potential. So before we get started, I do appreciate if you guys like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit the bell to be notified when I make new crypto videos. Alright guys, so I did delay this PancakeSwap tutorial because there are some other Binance Smart Chain swaps out there I did want to research and add to this video as well. One thing I do want to point out though is every Binance Smart Chain swap I've found so far has an anonymous team. So this may be something that turns you away from holding these tokens, but regardless, you can use the PancakeSwap without actually holding your cryptocurrency on the PancakeSwap. It works very similarly to Uniswap. You just connect your MetaMask or Trust Wallet, you do your transaction, then you disconnect, and PancakeSwap doesn't have access to your funds. So I will go over this. We are going to do a tutorial on the PancakeSwap. I'll briefly go over these other Binance Smart Chain swaps as well. We're going to talk about why Binance BNB and CAKE token have been surging and picking up traction. The Binance Smart Chain has been surging in transaction volume, getting very close to Ethereum's daily volume as well. So I do think a lot of projects will be bridging over. A lot of projects already have, but many more will bridge over from the Ethereum blockchain to the Binance Smart Chain in order to get more accessibility with lower transaction fees. The Binance Smart Chain PancakeSwap has transaction fees under $1, most of the time even under 25 cents, while Uniswap generally has an average transaction cost of $50 or more. So since the Ethereum layer 2 solution got delayed, the Binance Smart Chain has been booming in volume and continues to grow as more projects bridge over to the Binance Smart Chain, some projects even launching only on the Binance Smart Chain as well. So I do believe Ethereum has been struggling because of this, even though it's broken all-time highs, 2150 right now. I do think it would be past $3,000 if it wasn't for those high transaction fees. A lot more projects would just stay focused on the Ethereum blockchain, but unfortunately that is a major problem with the Ethereum network, which is why competitors like Binance, BNB, Cardano, and Polkadot are thriving and have skyrocketed, gone parabolic throughout 2021 as well. So the thing is, Binance Smart Chain is the only blockchain to be solving the Ethereum transaction fees right now. So since the launch of the Binance Smart Chain, we have had some swap sites launch, the main one being the PancakeSwap, and the PancakeSwap's CAKE token has been surging as well. I did pick this up when the Ethereum layer 2 solution delay was announced here in this dip. I got the majority of my holdings around $13 here, and since then it's nearly doubled. Did touch $25 very briefly yesterday. So the Binance BNB coin already had growing utility, but now with the Binance Smart Chain, it does require some BNB for each transaction, and this is generally lower than 50 cents per transaction on the PancakeSwap or these other Binance Smart Chain swaps. So PancakeSwap is the most popular one right now. Lots of passive income opportunities with this and everything, but keep in mind these swap sites do have anonymous teams. So there is always higher risk when you have anonymous teams because they could just step away from the project at any time. But the PancakeSwap does have support from Binance.com. They share about them and post about the PancakeSwap all the time. It's been growing very quickly, and the CAKE token has exploded to new all-time highs alongside Binance BNB, breaking all-time highs as well, getting very close to $500 per BNB coin now. Not too long ago, this was only $40 to $50. So this has really surged since it is solving the Ethereum gas fee problem right now. Alright guys, so we're here on PancakeSwap.finance. As you can see, there's farms and staking, there's a lottery, other different features here. On the left, there's tabs as well. So if you go to trade and exchange, this is where you're going to find the PancakeSwap, where you can swap between BNB and other Binance Smart Chain altcoins. So I will be doing more videos going over different altcoins that I'm looking at on the Binance Smart Chain. Today I'm just going to be going over a tutorial and going over some other Binance Smart Chain swaps as well. So my preferred way to use the PancakeSwap is through the Trust Wallet on my phone. So I will be pulling that up and showing you guys a quick tutorial on this. It's very simple to connect. There is another extra step if you are an Apple iOS user, but that's still very simple as well. So all you have to do is connect through the DApps browser, and then you have to have the Binance Smart Chain version of BNB in your wallet, and you use that for the transaction fees, and then you can also use that as payment for any of the coins you're trying to buy on the PancakeSwap as well. Very simple to use. The coins show up instantly in your wallet. Very simple and self-explanatory basically. You can also use this through the MetaMask wallet, but that is a little bit more complex. If you want simplicity, I definitely recommend the Trust Wallet. So I could just use PancakeSwap right here on my browser by connecting a MetaMask. But like I said, there's a few extra steps, and you do have to add the Binance Smart Chain through the MetaMask wallet, which you do have to enter info to add that, and then you do have to send over Binance Smart Chain BNB as well, because that's what's used for transactions in the PancakeSwap. So I do prefer using this in Trust Wallet on my phone. It's much simpler, and I already have that set up. So I will be showing you guys my phone here and how easy it is to connect through the DApps browser and use the PancakeSwap. All right, guys, so I have Trust Wallet open here, which is my preferred wallet for using PancakeSwap and Uniswap through your phone. Very easy to use both the Binance Smart Chain and Ethereum blockchain through this one wallet as well. So for the sake of this video, I'm going to create a new wallet and connect to the PancakeSwap. But if you already have an existing MetaMask or other Ethereum based wallet, you can just press I already have a wallet. You can select Ethereum here and import your MetaMask wallet. All your cryptocurrencies will show up there. So very simple to use. I do recommend having multiple wallets to keep your funds spread out and diversified, since there are hacks and stuff out there. If one wallet gets compromised, it's not the end of the world. I have had a lot of emails recently of scammers getting access to people's secret passphrase and then being able to swipe all their crypto. So with that 12-word secret passphrase, you have access to the wallet and all the cryptocurrencies in it. That's why it's very important to be as secure as possible with this. All right, guys, so I just secured my secret passphrase, and now I have my wallet open. As you guys can see, there's a smart chain here, which if you do want to get the use the PancakeSwap and get the Binance Smart Chain version of BNB, you can click into Smart Chain here, and then you can press Buy BNB in the middle here. So that is one way to get some Binance Smart Chain version of BNB. You can also send it from Binance US, Binance.com, any other source where you have BNB, and you can easily convert the regular BNB to the Smart Chain version of BNB as well. So for instance, if you go to the regular BNB here, you can click More, and then you can click Swap to Smart Chain at the bottom here, and it will give you this option to swap BNB from the Ethereum blockchain over to the Binance Smart Chain. Once you do that, you will have the BNB needed to make transactions in PancakeSwap and pay for fees in the PancakeSwap as well. So I will send over some Binance Smart Chain version of BNB and then do a transaction for you guys. All right, guys, so I very quickly sent over one Binance BNB on the Smart Chain from my other Trust wallet to this one. Only took about 20 seconds to receive it. It's in here now, as you guys can see, worth $466. So I am going to go to the bottom here to the DApps browser. Some people pronounce this DApps browser. So you're just going to click that. It's going to give you all your options here. So we do have a history. I have been using PancakeSwap on my other Trust wallet. You can just click through to that and very easily swap on the PancakeSwap. You can use Uniswap. You can connect to these other platforms like Rarible, SushiSwap, OpenSea, and pretty much any other website here. As you guys can see, Uniswap exchange. So using both Uniswap and PancakeSwap from the same wallet on your phone, very convenient, very easy to use, which is why I recommend the Trust wallet. All right, guys, so I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use the PancakeSwap in your Trust wallet. I'm just going to select PancakeSwap at the top here. If you can't find it, just search it in the browser at the top, and that will bring us to the exchange homepage. It already recognizes my 1 BNB. I'm going to enter 0.8 because I don't want to use the whole 1 BNB. Keep in mind, you do have to use this BNB for transaction fees. Just like on Uniswap, you have to use Ethereum for those transaction fees. So we're going to select 0.8 of a BNB. Then we select in the second entry here the cryptocurrency we want to buy, which I'm going to just enter CAKE token for example of this. So a summary 0.8 BNB will give us 16.62 CAKE tokens. You're going to press swap. It's going to give you a summary of what's going on here. And as you guys can see, price 20.77 CAKE per BNB coin, minimum received, price impact, liquidity provider fee, price update. So once you're happy with that, just press confirm swap. It'll take you to a transaction summary here. Once you press approve, the transaction will go through. And as you guys can see, the network fee here is just 38 cents. And that's a lot higher than I've seen previously because more and more traffic is coming to the PancakeSwap. Previous transactions I've done for 11 cents, even as low as 8 cents I've seen. So just crazy, below 50 cents for a transaction, while on Uniswap, the normal fee is anywhere from $30, $50, even upwards of $100 and more on the busy days on the network. So if you are happy with the transaction, you just press approve here. I'm not going to do this because I don't want to pick up more CAKE tokens since I already have plenty. So I will back out of that. And as you guys can see, swap failed, canceled. I didn't lose the fee. So just a quick summary. If you press confirm, it'll instantly show up in your wallet home screen here. And then you'll see the CAKE token and what you have left of the BNB on the smart chain. And then you can also hold Ethereum in here and connect to the Uniswap browser or SushiSwap swap as well through the same browser. Do trades through all of these dexes through one wallet on your phone. Very simple to do. So this is why I recommend the Trust Wallet. I also use MetaMask because I do trading on my desktop as well. But a lot of people do like using their phone for the simplicity. It's actually easier, in my opinion, than doing it through MetaMask on your desktop. But everyone has their own preferences. So this is a multi-coin wallet as well, which I really like. It is convenient if you do want to use Uniswap and PancakeSwap in the same wallet. So I do recommend checking out Trust Wallet if you do want to use PancakeSwap. I do recommend seeing if your coins are available on the PancakeSwap. A lot of coins are bridging over to the PancakeSwap while they're also on the Ethereum network, like Sparkpoint SRK just did this. Shopping.io SPI token actually did this very recently. A lot of projects are going to be doing this because it is the smart thing to do. Not only does it make the cryptocurrency more accessible, but it also makes the transaction fees much less. Under 50% is just so much better than the Uniswap fees. So as you can imagine, a lot of projects will be doing this, and the PancakeSwap and Binance Smart Chain volume will continue to rise, which probably means more demand coming to the BNB and CAKE token as well. There are competitors though to the PancakeSwap, which I'm going to quickly go over with you guys. So I do want to quickly go over one thing before we get into the other swap sites, and that's how to access the DApps browser using Apple iOS. Since the Apple Store did have restrictions and they forced Trust Wallet to remove the DApps browser from their iOS version, but there are a few steps you could do to continue using the DApps browser. So step one, you're just going to make sure that there are no tabs open in your Safari browser. Open Safari and then type in this URL. I will put this URL in the video description. Open this page and Trust Wallet will appear and select open. The Trust Wallet app will open and the DApp browser will now be enabled and show in the bottom of your app, just like in the example using my Android app. And then you will be able to connect to PancakeSwap and Uniswap. So very simple there, just a few extra steps to get this enabled. All right guys, so for the next Binance Smart Chain swap, we have BarkerySwap here with the BAKE token. So this is the second biggest Binance Smart Chain swap as far as I know so far. They do have an NFT marketplace, a launch pad, and some other unique features as well. But currently PancakeSwap is really the primary focus here, and is really where all the volume is going when you consider Binance Smart Chain volume. So the Bakery token here, BAKE token, currently at $1.30, $236 million market cap. It did recently peak out, leveled out, and then went up the other day with the CAKE token as well, and now is correcting back. So this may have some potential if it does pick up in volume and their other unique features really start getting them a lot more users, but it will depend on that in my opinion. So just another Binance Smart Chain swap and token that you can use. We do have some research here as well if you guys want to pause the video and just look over this. There's more information on the team, the total supply, and other aspects of utility and everything. So BarkerySwap again has an anonymous team just like the PancakeSwap, and the other next swap I'm going to show you guys also has an anonymous team. As far as I know, SparkPoint's SparkSwap is the first Binance Smart Chain swap that does not have an anonymous team, which I do think gives them a huge advantage, especially with how low SRK and SFuel market cap are right now. If this SparkSwap really picks up traction, that could be massive return on investment for these tokens. But keep in mind, this is not financial advice on any of these coins. I personally don't own any Bake coins. So next swap here is going to be the BurgerSwap, which is a fairly new swap on the Binance Smart Chain. It doesn't have nearly as nice of a layout. So this also has its own coin called Burger, which is the ticker at $5.45. This did peak out at $9.50 here when BarkerySwap also peaked out. So if this swap is able to pick up more and more users and pick up traction and have some sort of unique feature over the PancakeSwap and BarkerySwap, it is very possible this coin goes up in value. I'm not holding any Burger coins and I haven't used a swap personally. I'm just being transparent and showing you guys the Binance Smart Chain swaps that are out there. This is currently at $65 million market cap, so much higher risk, much smaller of a swap. Alright guys, so last swap of the day I'm going to be showing you guys is the SparkSwap by SparkPoint. As you guys know, this is an altcoin I'm big on. Not only did I invest in it, I also signed on as a marketing advisor with this project early on. So I do hold a lot of SRK and SFuel as a quick disclaimer, but I do like what they're doing with the SparkSwap here. As far as I know, SparkSwap is the only swap on the Binance Smart Chain that doesn't have an anonymous team. Fully transparent team. I really like how this team works together. They're consistently building, branching out into different niches within the crypto space to add more and more utility to these coins. They also do coin burns like Binance BNB and CAKE token do. So if SparkSwap is able to take even a small percentage of the volume that's being added on the Binance Smart Chain through PancakeSwap and these other swaps, I definitely think the price of SRK and SFuel have massive potential. So if we check out SparkPoint Fuel on CoinMarketCap here, the volume is only $20,000 for the day. Pretty much all the focus is on their main coin SRK, but this is the DeFi token for the SparkPoint platform. So I think as the SparkSwap picks up, the SparkPoint Fuel SFuel will also be picking up as well. Under a $20 million market cap. They're also doing a few more airdrops for SFuel throughout 2021 to SRK holders. So based on how much SRK you hold at the end of each quarter, you will get an airdrop of SFuel depending on how much SRK you're holding. And then they're going to have staking pools and rewards pools and yield farming for SFuel and SRK as well as this new SparkSwap gets launched and they start marketing it and everything. So I like the look of this. It's clean. They're probably going to be doing more updates to this. They're going to be launching it on a new domain for better branding and everything. So I'm really excited to get this going and try this out. This will also be available in the DApps browser. And like I said, SparkPoint has their own wallet as well where they're adding that DApps browser. And they are applying for a banking license in the Philippines, which will allow them to use fiat currency and convert from crypto to fiat currency to your bank account through that wallet. So lots of huge things they're working on, giving as much utility as possible to these tokens. I definitely think this is very high potential, even picking up a very small percentage of the volume from the PancakeSwap. SRK, I think, as well as SFuel have very high potential. The market cap only being around 140 million for SRK. So very excited to see how these things play out. I definitely think the Binance Smart Chain in general will be picking up throughout 2021 since Ethereum delayed that layer 2 solution. And we are seeing the price of BNB steadily climbing with the steady rise of this volume. So that's it for today's tutorial video. I hope you guys found it useful. Please let me know what you think in the comments below. If you did find the video useful, I appreciate if you guys like the video, comment below, and share the video anywhere on social media or with friends and family that may also find this video useful. By using the PancakeSwap and other Binance Smart Chain swaps, you're going to be saving a lot of money on transaction fees, which definitely allows you to pick up more coins, makes it more convenient for you, and allows you to pick up these smaller altcoins without taking a huge hit with those massive transaction fees from Uniswap. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys found it useful, and I'll see you guys in tomorrow's video.